Hello and welcome to our fifth lesson in our series on integrating technology into teaching and learning. I trust that you have learned a lot and you are benefiting from this series. Please comment in the comment section. Let us know how our classes are helping you or otherwise. And if there is any specific topic or area you would want me to cover or do a presentation on, you can also put it in the comment or in the WhatsApp group, and I'll prepare a video on that. So in today's lesson, we are looking at exploration of educational technology tools, very much related to our previous lesson on digital resources. Now, in today's lesson, I want to major more on learning management systems and then also on virtual reality. And under virtual reality, I'll narrow down to virtual labs. So, in this digital age, teachers have an impressive selection of technological resources to help facilitate classes, engage students, and streamline processes. But the problem is that because there is such an abundance of tools, it can be difficult wanting to know which one to use and how to understand and value and the value of the various tools. In this series, we have introduced various apps that you could use. I believe that one very important way to streamline or limit yourself a bit and yet have ability to facilitate classes, engage students, and do a lot is using a learning management system. If you have a learning management system, you are sure to be able to efficiently organize your resources. Learning management systems or platforms enable educators to efficiently organize course materials, assessments, and resources, making it easier for students to access and engage with the content. Also, we have customized learning paths. I have explained these in previous videos, how that educators can create personalized learning paths for students and catering to their individual needs and then pace for better learning outcome. So students can learn on their own and do things at their own pace. And in learning management systems, we also have assessment and feedback. So tools, LMS or learning management system tools offer built-in assessment features, allowing educators to provide prompt feedback and track student progress effectively. We also have in learning management systems administrative tools that you can use for attendance tracking. You can mark attendance, and even immediately parents also are aware of their wards performance in class. They know whether their wards are in school or not, and I have talked about the gradebook, efficient digital gradebooks, streamline grading processes, and provide insightful data for student performance and analysis. And then we could also have communication features on learning management systems where teachers or educators can communicate with students, can communicate with parents, the students can communicate among themselves, and all of those. In learning management systems, you could also have opportunity to manage fees collection, if you have a bus, the movement of the bus, if you have a hostel or a boarding facility, everything can be managed in a learning management system. And in my search and exposure online, over the years, I have come across an open source system which is called Gibbon, which is a learning management system. It is open source, so it's free. You can have access to it, and it is very dynamic and innovative, created by teachers and for teachers. And I want to quickly show a brief video on how Gibbon is and how it works. This I am not paid to make this video for Gibbon. It is because I want to bring value to you, my cherished students. That is why I'm showing you this video. So let's watch the video and then we will talk afterwards.
The Gibbon, a free, open source and flexible school platform designed by teachers for learning. Gibbon gives your teachers, students and parents the school tools they need to get the most out of education. If your school uses Gibbon, you'll have access to a login screen. You can log in using your Gibbon username and password, or simply sign in with Google. After signing in, you'll be presented with a personalized homepage, the exact features of which will vary between staff, parents, and students. But here in my staff dashboard, I can see lessons that I'll teach today, as well as a timetable, which is integrated with a school calendar and room booking form. I can see lessons that I've yet to plan, create a lesson plan, or I can jump straight into a lesson that I'm going to teach. In this lesson, I'm going to show the students a movie trailer, followed by the film itself. On the right-hand side of the lesson plan, as well as taking attendance, there is an option to view confidential student alerts, including behavior, academic, privacy, medical, and individual needs. These are hidden by default in order to protect student privacy. I can invite students to submit homework and view the completions as they come in. The home page gives an overview of upcoming homework and deadlines, and also lets me see and quickly access my classes. For example, my Year 11 Media Studies class that we just saw, in one spot I can view attendance, planner, markbook, homework, internal assessment, as well as which students are participating in that course. The system also allows for members of the school community to curate useful resources and quickly allows me to switch between available roles and school years. Meanwhile, up at the top, I can see notifications as well as the message wall. Clicking through to the message wall, I can see information posted by members of staff for students and parents to access, or post a new message. The system aims to bring together a wide range of functionality into one platform, where data about students can be shared and used intelligently. It's really easy to jump to a student's profile. If I'm in a lesson, I can click on that student's name. However, at any point in the system, I can use the Fast Finder to jump straight to their profile. Gibbon also offers a variety of tools for assessment, learning, managing, and understanding the people within a school. As a good example of the power of having all your data in one place, let's look at the messenger. In a lot of schools, sending out mass messages can be difficult. Within Gibbon, you can quickly send email, use a message wall, or SMS to a variety of audiences based on what Gibbon already knows about who people are in the system, their school year, form group, academic courses, after-school activities, and year of application. Two areas that set Gibbon apart from other school management systems are its flexibility and extensibility. Under management permissions, we see that it's simple to enable and disable functionality for different user roles. This allows the Gibbon experience to be customized according to each school's needs. This flexibility is further enhanced by Gibbon's many configurable options. Additional modules allow Gibbon installation to offer users alternative functionality, allowing schools to implement a variety of solutions and pedagogical approaches. For example, under Learning, we can access the free Learning module. which allows schools to offer students structured, self-directed courses of study. In this example, we see a complete ICT curriculum viewed as a non-linear map. As a secondary example, Mastery Transcript allows schools to offer credits, which students can earn in order to gain an MTC Mastery Transcript. What you'll find in Gibbon is a system that brings together all facets of learning into one place. Your school can use it for free in perpetuity, and if your school has a passionate and skilled programmer, they can even contribute to the development of Gibbon. Our hope is to build a community-based system which gives every school access to the best educational software available. Gibbon, designed by teachers for learning.
So, yes, here is Gibbon, a very powerful learning management system that I have tried and used, and I think that if your school doesn't already have a learning management system, you could try it. It is completely free and it is available online. So, the only thing is you would need to have a server space to install it. If you are interested in learning more about it, you can let me know in the comments section, and I will get to see how best my team and I can help you to have it. Especially if you have a website, your school has a website, we can install it on your website, and then you can use it. Parents will have their own login details, students will have their own login details, teachers will have their own login, and each level and the level of access and what they can do or not to do and what they can see. Administrators, those are the finance, accountants, and everything. I mean, very, very flexible, and I think that you can have a look at it. Educators like you and I too can have opportunity to use it, just like we were using Google Classroom to be able to interact with our students and get them what they need. So, like I said, today's lesson is going to be in two parts. The first one is this um, detail on learning management system, and the second one on virtual labs. And so I will end here, but in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group, let me know whether your school is already using um, a school or learning management system. How is it helping you? Whether you want to learn more about Gibbon and how it could be of benefit to you, let me know. I also want to know so far how the course is doing with you. Are we helping you? What areas do you wish we could cover? We have a few more lessons to take, and I may integrate some of the things you talk about or request in the next videos. If you are not in the WhatsApp group, please check out the link below the video and get to the WhatsApp group. If you are in the WhatsApp group too and you share the link, let me know so that I can reward you for sharing the link. Thank you very much. This is the end of the first part of our lesson, and the second part will follow. Thank you.